Now let's solve the problem. 1 plus secant A divided by secant A is equal to sin square A divided by 1 minus cos A. Here we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. First, let me write down the LHS. Solution. What is the LHS here? 1 plus secant A divided by secant A. 1 plus secant A can be written as 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A whole divided by this secant A can be written as 1 by cos A. Okay. Now let us take the LCM for this. Nothing is in the denominator, so it will become 1. 1 into cos A means LCM is what? Cos A is the LCM divided by. Here, since cos A is the LCM, here it will become cos A plus here it will become 1 whole divided by 1 by cos A whole divided by 1 by cos A. See here, numerator, denominator. Numerator, denominator. In the denominator, we have cos A. Here also in the denominator, we have cos A. Therefore, both they will get cancelled. Okay, what is left here? Cos A plus 1 divided by 1. Now, observe this carefully or look at this carefully. Cos A plus 1. I will write it as 1 plus cos A divided by 1. Because the value does not change, right? Cos A plus 1 means also same. 1 plus cos A means also same. Now, see here, multiply 1 minus cos A. 1 minus cos A both to the numerator and denominator. Okay, we can multiply, right? 1 plus cos A for this 1 plus cos A divided by 1. 1 plus cos A divided by 1. For this I will multiply it by 1 minus cos A. 1 minus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. Okay. What it will become? 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. Okay. It will become 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A whole divided by 1 into 1 minus cos A is what? 1 into 1 minus cos A is 1 minus cos A. Now, 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. What it will become? It is the formula. See here. A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. Okay. Here we have 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. It will become 1 square. Means we can write it as 1 minus cos square A. Okay. Therefore, I will write it as 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. I will write it as 1 minus cos square A divided by 1 minus cos A. Okay. Now, we know another formula. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Right? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Therefore, sin square A is equal to 1. This plus cos square A, when it will go this side, it will become minus cos square A. That is 1 minus cos square A is equal to sin square A. 1 minus cos square A. I will write it as sin square A. Sin square A divided by 1 minus cos A. Okay. That is what our RHS. Right? We proved that LHS is equal to RHS. So here these are all formula. Okay. Up to here is a formula. Hope you have understood. Thank you.